Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Langford and this is a video on reflexive pronouns. If you're second grade, you probably already know what a pronoun is. That's a word that takes the place of a noun, sort of like he, she, they, it, us, we, them, that kind of thing. A reflexive pronoun is like this, words that end with self. You add that to some of those words. There's him, her. That's a reflexive pronoun. It refers back to a word already in the sentence. And here are some of them. If you notice, I'm wearing an elf hat. Why? Because these are reflexive pronouns on a shelf. Elf on a shelf. Elves on a shelf. No, you don't get it. Okay, well, let me give you an example. Here's one. So those other words we had, which one of these words ending in self or selves would fit in here? You should buy blank a new computer. We got to have a word that refers back to the what. You just can't say you should buy him. You and him don't match. You know what matches? Yourself. You should buy yourself a new computer. You and yourself, and that is right here. Aww. You should buy yourself a new computer. Got it? Let's do another one. Here's something that kids learn to say as soon as they learn to talk in complete sentences. I did it all by blank. Which one of these fits in here to refer back to I? I did it all by yourself? No. Find something that fits here that matches with that. Aw, look, I did it all by myself. Does that make sense? Myself refers back to I. Pretty good. Here's another one. She almost cut blank with the scissors. If I put the word you here, it makes sense to say she almost cut you with the scissors, but you does not refer to she. We need a word that refers back to she. Here it is. She almost cut herself with the scissors. You see that? Herself in the little Dalmatian. We treated blank to some ice cream. We treated the boys, we treated the girls. Yeah, that's great, but we need a word here that refers back to the we. We treated ourselves to some ice cream. Ourselves, that's we. That's the same thing, right? Okay, here's our choices. I don't know if you can see these. This says himself. This says themselves. Which one of those goes here? Billy made blank a sandwich. What word can I put here that refers back to Billy? Time's up. Himself. Billy made himself a sandwich. Last one. I've made this last because kids don't like to clean. They clean the house blank. Kids, do you like to clean the house? Your mom or dad says, hey, we need to clean the house. Are you like, yeah, I want to? No, probably not. Because you're a kid. You're not supposed to. They clean the house themselves. And this is a cutest little guy. This is a cutie. They clean the house themselves. Themselves, plural, by the way. Themselves, plural, refers back to they. That's plural. That means more than one. All right. That's it. Quick video on reflexive pronouns. Here's a few. And I hope you learned something. I learned that this hat is kind of hot. That's better. Okay, I'm Mr. Langford. I'll see you next time.